All right, I am back now with sound. So, yeah, we're basically doing the reconstruction of the multiline with indents, which is great that we're doing that. It also highlights the need to do these reversible tests that we go from text to paths and then paths to text, right? Yeah, that's very important. Yeah. So I was doing this. Here what I need to do is, in the first one, actually I need to take the last line. Will be last. What is this last line? This is just silly. It's the last of the lines, so I can do it like this. I mean, I should call it last line, right? That's what I was struggling. That's not gonna work. If I'm updating just the text, yeah, that's not gonna work. Yep. What I need to do is I need to return here. I can just keep track of the last multi-line. Actually, what did I name the variable of is inside multi-line test? I can just return here the step. No need to do stuff with space at all. We can do that outside. Maybe I would do something like this. I will do this. Return this. Yeah, this is a bit more inspired. If I'm in the first one, I would basically do something like no, what? No, I need this state. I need to know. Do I need to know this? Yeah, I need it. I cannot just return the stuff. Yeah, actually, this approach made sense. Although I can keep a set of steps like this. Yeah, like that. And when you have multi-lines, do you leave it in the same place as before? No, you don't. You can leave it after. So basically, it would be, you need to know the first one here, so that you can add this, and then after you know the last one, you move on. So you only need the first one and the last one. So technically I just need a count, right? It could be a count. I could do it like this, I guess. Inside multi-line. Sorry, let me just turn that one off. Just a minute. Apparently I work when the dryer is on. Good. Clean sheets. Not bad at all. So, yeah, this is 0. Will be indent count. Indent count will be step length plus 1. Need one extra for the space. And here I want to do is for the first one, if it's the first one, count will be indent count. I'm going to increase 1 at the first quote. Return line, just return the line. Actually, I can even do the case where if k, it's because if it's the ones in the middle, it doesn't matter, right? No, it does matter because yeah, I know what to do now. So it would be yeah. We have something for spaces. Oh yeah, it was up there, silly. I had it there. So it will be return spaces indent count plus line in that case. It's already unparsed. Yeah, perfect. No, I need to do if k equals step split by new line if we're in the last step. Actually, we can do this later because we always need to return the line. No, we do it like this. Next to this is the last one. It will be indent count will get increased by it will be step, no, it will be line length plus 1 extra for the closing quote and 1 for the space. Boom. and then you return the spaces. I need to do that before. In the case of the last one, in the middle ones, it's the same thing. I can do it like this. No, because no, I can't. I need to hold it in a variable. I have no way around it. The indent, I can do it like this. The indent count. And here just return indent plus line. Yeah, subtle, good. And then I just return this, join by, yeah. All right, let's just run this. What's going on? Yeah, it will be the same plus, actually maybe I don't need plus one. Yeah, I need plus one. Yeah, I definitely do. What is the problem? Well, the problem is I'm missing path to text here, right? I'm looking at the common prefix and all that stuff. I think it's correct. I just need to fix the test, right? No, this is correct. What's the problem? Why is it like eaten here? I guess I could do it like this. I first put the K and then I put the indent count. I can do the line here. multiline 0 to, why is it already at 21? That makes no sense. Oh, it's 21 already, that's just silly. Bug updating indent count. This makes 0 sense and I'm getting really lost. Yeah, why is this 21? That makes no sense. You're still at 0, right? Pass the text you just code on each path. This should be correct, by the way. I'm gonna remove these debugs here because I don't need them anymore. This looks correct to me. Okay. Don't tell me that the path is not properly split. No, it is properly split. This is pretty ridiculous, honestly, I don't get it. Going into multiline 21, yeah, that's just how. The variable is initialized. Why so many logs? Okay, and suddenly it's 21. Okay, that's the error there. Oh, I'm very silly. My God, this should be, of course. Oh, so silly. Sorry about that. Yeah, exactly. All right. It worked. That was it. This is the next error. Yeah, right? Oh no. If I remove the debugs from here, No, still not working. Look, it's off by one space. But which one is correct? Where am I? I guess here. Ah, it's correct because this already counts. Yeah. I was expecting that, but I obtained yeah, I'm losing the spaces, it makes no sense. But if we read it properly, this is, how many is it? 16 was it? No, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. No, why is it one more? Look how this is aligned. Ah, look at this. This one has a space at the beginning. Here. So it could not be that. It will have to be this, right? Space here too. Right? Yeah. There should be a space there. Ah, no, sorry, I'm a fool. That's the one I just added. Yeah. I mean, this shouldn't be so hard, right? Let's just count them again. It's just trickery, sum, call, like trickery, sum, call. So trickery with the quote, it would be 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, 19 spaces. Why is it not 19 spaces? Why is it not 19 spaces? Okay, I need a... It has to be here, it has to be here. This is the last one, maybe the last one. Ah, it's just a +1. closing quote is aligned with the top of with the opening quote. That was it. Or not? Not, but I think that was correct indeed. Oh yeah, what's the issue here? I'm just returning the step. I'm returning. Why do I get commas here? That's just silly. I'm returning the join thing. This is silly. Ah. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So, what was it? On a new line. Will be 4. No, it's way more. This is full. No, it will be 5. This thing with the expected is absolutely killing me. Yeah, why does it do that jump? It's like so annoying. I don't want that. Actually, no, that's what I wanted, right? I don't want the label to be there. I just want the label to be... Yeah, okay, that's way better. Okay. One, two, three. I know, that's what you expect, silly. And the spaces here. 4 spaces, actually. Ooh, space, and the quote, sorry, it's 5. Yes, I am text. And the yep would be at the level of just 1, right? That's 2. Why 2? Silly, do it here. Yes. What's the problem? It's not missing indentation. It's just one. Right? Yeah. Ah, the new lines. That's an interesting consequence. The new lines here, they have to have space, right? That's gonna be a problem. What I can do is, if you are leaving empty lines, I can ignore that thing. Ah, that's a good corner case. Missing indentation if line length is greater than 0. So you don't have to put the empty spaces in those lines. I am okay with you like not having those empty spaces to match those empty lines. Ah, but if it's empty, oh, this is complicated, because if it's empty, then what do you do? I have a secret agenda here, which is my Vim or Neo Vim, doesn't matter. Well, it matters only a little bit, but whenever I have a line with only spaces, my Vim just collapses those spaces, just removes them, and just gives the empty line. Basically trims things. But then when I'm reconstructing here, I want that. I guess what we can do is, yeah, but then you cannot faithfully leave spaces in lines. So I either change my Vim configuration or I don't allow you to put lines that only have spaces. Right? Yeah, those are my choices. Oh, that's a tough one. If you want to put lines with spaces, yeah, you should be able to preserve that. Okay, I'm going to change my Vim configuration. That's how much I love the consistency of this project. I hope you're happy. So, where's my Vim? I said config. Yeah. Reload Vim config and a Vim. No Vim config. No. Many a man. Why men? I'm sure it's not just men. Many. This is pretty insane, though. Well, let's just do it. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, because it would be arbitrary to not let you preserve the space inside the multiline text. You might have your reasons. I would never do it, but then what about requiring you to add those? Well, I won't require you. I am still lenient, but when I bring it back, I will put it there. That's how it works. Yeah. Does it work? Nope. No, that should not. I'm a silly goose here. It's not there. It's here. It is here. This one. Nice. So this would be 1, right? Yeah. Wait, why did I go forward? I forgot this one, sorry. No space after a quote in line. It's correct to use the original line because it's easier to find, because it's not all parsed. Why this is, yes, it is multiline, right? Yeah, it is. Of course it is. Yeah. Wait, where is it multiline? How much slash? Wait, where am I? Oh, it's this one. Yeah, of course. this is something else, right? Full. Well, there's a lot of fulls here. Yup, there's less, right? Yeah, this is the first one. It's only 2 yups. It's yup 2. Yeah, I don't understand why this broke. Oh. So it's this one, right? I don't understand why it is generating a multiline error. There's no multilines error. put v something. How is this a multi-line text? It is not. It's plainly not. At all. If I don't do this, it's the same thing. It's like the way I'm encoding things in the text, but no, this is something else. I'm breaking something the way things come out here. But what broke? I'm pretty sure if I load the editor now, everything would blow up. Perhaps the second time I save it. Yeah, exactly. Why this? Well, I guess it's a stringify representation, right? Oh, why is it stringified? Yeah, yup. I have a bunch of things here, right? It's here, yup. I don't have a yup here at all. Okay, what if I the problem is, well, this is breaking, but the tests are not loading now because I re-encoded the multi-line runs, right? Yeah, I need to fix those, so, right? Like this. No, not yet. Yeah, this one. Not yet. It's not that one. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Yeah. What's wrong here? It's this. No. Still doesn't like it. Okay, somehow it doesn't like the I don't really get why. Guess we can get there when we get there, although I'm not happy about that at all. What's this one? Test. Maybe I should start rewriting the test from the top and finding it properly. I still need to annotate everything. Oof, look at that. Holding out. Look at the test that prompted this entire madness. I could do something like this. Multiline. I know what the issue was with that one. I need I got it. Wait. Just I got it. I know it, bro. I know it feels good to understand what I'm doing, even though it's not all the time at all, because I need a literal quote here, city. And I guess I need to advance everything too to that literal quote. It would be like this. No. I guess it's here. I think it's that one, right? Yeah. Whereas before there was no validator. Yeah. Yeah, basically I'm doing that. So here would be literal quote, multiline, trickery. How should it be aligned? It's basically when you're escaping it. That's actually no, forget about the escape. Just look at the outside one. That's what you want, right? Yeah, because it says doubly quoted stuff. That's why it's a bit confusing. It's not the best, but what would be the best? The best would be to pass a list of lines, right? Oof, I really want to stop for the day. It's been a tough session, this one. Well, let's actually see the good stuff we've done. Like this double quoted stuff looks confusing. Well, this is not, well, yeah, it is double. Yeah, I have to quote it, right? I have no way. But in the case of yeah, it only gets confusing when I'm doing multi-line inputs, so I have to have escape quotes, and you really lose the clarity of the example. Maybe if we read it like we could do it something like this: one multi-line, something like this. It would be trickery sum to column. Should make numbers a stringify number there. This one has to be escaped, and this would be animal, but with a lot of spaces, right? Is it 19? Was it? Yes, to the slash. Yeah, slashes basically prevent looking at the real thing. I'm gonna just quote there. I need to yeah. When you're looking at escaped stuff, like doubly escaped, it should be, yeah, it's instead of aligning with this, it aligns with this. I wonder if that generates a drift. Well, it would, but most of the time, when would you be doing escapes of escapes? We're just doing the tests for multi-line, and only in that case. And the response should be well, the same thing, right? Yeah, and again it broke. But this time I don't understand why. I'm escaping these quotes. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, that's correct. Just a single one here. So this looks very valid to me. So maybe teardrop was with the third one. I thought teardrop was in this album. No, I'm wrong. No. Also it breaks. Interesting. Okay, I had to escape the literal quotes. So now It's not there, the issue. Again. Yeah, no, that's fine. No, why is it just breaking things? How is this a problem? The spaces are the problem. I feel like someone's playing a joke on me here. That makes no sense. Why? Am I not saving properly? Maybe maybe the saving is taking a bit longer, and I'm just being too fast and my computer's being too slow. Maybe it's that, because I'm reading from a file. All right. Okay. So where do we go? Okay. I'm a bit broken, although we made great progress, and I still need to sleep on it one day. But yeah, it was fine. So yeah. Why is it? Shouldn't it be like this, one on top of the other? Well, I think I'm gonna call it in early today, but let's just cover what we did. Oh, yeah, we'll fix the pretty. We have the multi-lines, I think, on the hand. Fix the examples. It's not much code if you notice. It's what, look, 20 lines, 25 perhaps. Yeah, that's it. And we can have this notation, the CL, of lines of stuff, which is a bit more readable than the other stuff. Because the alternative would be something more messy, where you don't know where things start and where they end. Note how the T here aligns with this one. Here it doesn't. Because this one loses, as it goes one more to the right with this slash that then doesn't appear in the actual text. Yeah, I think those artifacts are unavoidable because of the way I'm escaping things. If you have escapes, you're going to have this stuff. Okay, let's just write the readme. Keep on writing tests. Get a feel for the new multi-line logic. Is it correct? Add new ones for the new functionality. And then what else we need to do? yeah, annotate source code changes. All right, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching.